So next problem in the Taylor series method is using Taylor series method dy by dx equal to 1 plus xy with y naught equal to 2 from y of 0.1, 0.2 and 0.3. These are the values we have to find out. Okay, so first I'll write the given data. So they have given y dash value which is dy by dx which is 1 plus xy. Then x naught will be 0, y naught will be 2. Okay, and they asked to calculate y of 0.1. Okay, so I'll consider first that, then we'll move to next equation. Okay, so the Taylor series, what it says, y1 equal to y naught plus h by 1 factorial into y naught dash h square by 2 factorial y naught double dash plus h cube by 3 factorial y naught triple dash plus h raised to 4 factorial into y naught quarter dash plus so on. Okay, so this is the Taylor series equation. With the help of that, we need to calculate y of 0.1 which has to be found out. Okay, so in this case h will be what? 0.1. Okay, so x naught minus x naught will be 0, x1 will be 0.1, so x minus x naught will be 0.1, so h will be 0.1. We'll get it. Okay, so now what we have to do is we have to differentiate the given equation for the first time, second time, third time and the fourth time to get the value of these and substitute into this equation to calculate y of 0.1. Okay, so start with the first equation. Y dash is already given, what, plus xy, okay, which is nothing but y naught dash is nothing but substituting the initial values, which is x naught and the y naught. So x plus x naught is what? 0 into 2. So what I'll get? Y naught dash as 1. Okay, now come to the second differentiation, which is y double dash, so which is nothing but differentiation of y1 dash. So if I do the differentiation of 1 will be 0, so then differentiation of x into y will be x into differentiation of y will be y dash plus y into differentiation of x will be 1. So what I'll get? X into y dash plus y. Okay, so y naught double dash will be x is what? 0 into y1 dash is 1 plus 2. Okay, so we'll get y2 dash as a 2. Similarly, third differentiation. So third differentiation is nothing but differentiation of y2 dash will give you the third differentiation, y triple dash. Okay, so differentiation of x into y dash will be x as it is, the differentiation of y dash will be y double dash plus y dash as it is, differentiation of x is 1 and the differentiation of y will be y dash. So we'll get x into y double dash plus 2 y dash. Okay, so y naught triple dash value will be, so x is what? Initial value we have to subtract, which is 0, so y dash again it will be 0 itself, so even though I'll substitute the value, plus 2 into y dash is 1, so y will get 2. Okay, then fourth differentiation, that is differentiation of third y triple dash will be y quarter dash. Okay, so differentiation of x into y double dash will be x as it is, differentiation of y dash will be y triple dash plus y dash as it is, differentiation of x will be 1 plus 2 into y dash differentiation will get y double dash. Okay, so y quarter dash, y naught quarter dash will be x is what? 0 into 2 plus y double dash is how much? 2 plus 2 into y double dash, which is 2. So 2 plus 4 will be 6. So we'll get y naught quarter dash will be 6. Now substitute these value into this equation to get the y1 value. So y naught is what? 2 plus h is what? 0.1 divided by 1 factorial into y0 dash is 1 plus 0.1 square divided by 2 factorial into y0 double dash is 2 plus 0.1 cube divided by 3 factorial into y0 triple dash, which is 2 plus 0.1 raised to 4 divided by 4 factorial into y0 quarter dash, which is 6. If 2.1103, so this is y of 0.1, right? Okay, now we'll calculate the second one. So I'll rub this part. So the equation here will be y2. So then y1 plus h by 1 factorial into y1 dash. Earlier it was y0 dash. Now it will be y1 dash plus h square by 2 factorial into y1 double dash plus h cube by 3 factorial into y1 triple dash plus h raised to 4 divided by 4 factorial into y1 quarter dash plus so on. Okay, this is the second approximation. So you can say the Taylor series for the next approximation. This will be the equation of the Taylor series equation. Okay, so now again what we used to do is we have to calculate the differentiation of the each equation. So if I calculate the differentiation of each equation, here y1 dash equal to 1 plus xy. So here will be y1 dash equal to, so 1 plus x will be what? X will be here, x will be 0.1. Okay, then your y will be, or y1, I'll write x1 is equal to 0.1, y1 equal to 2.1103. Earlier in the equation it was x2 x0 as a 0, y0 as a 2, right here. But in the second approximation x1 will be 0.1 and y1 will be, the calculated value is 2.1103. okay, so in this case, so y1 dash will be what? 0.1 into 2.1103. so y1 dash will get this as 1.21103. next is here y1 double dash. That means we have to differentiate this equation. If I do the differentiation of that, so it will be differentiation of 1 will be 0, differentiation of x. So it's better instead of writing x and y, I'll write x1 y1. okay, so that will be easy for understanding. Okay, differentiation of x1 into y1, I'll keep x1 as it is. Differentiation of y1 will be y1 dash plus differentiation of y1 into differentiation of x1 will be 1. So we'll get x1 y1 dash plus y1. So y1 double dash value will be, x1 will be 0.1 into y1 dash is 1.21103 plus y1 value is 2.1103. so if I substitute y1 double dash, what I'll get is 2.2314. okay, similarly y1 triple dash. okay, so differentiation of this I have to do it. So if I take a differentiation of that, so it will be in the form of u into v, u differentiation of v plus v differentiation of u. So I'll keep x1 as it is. Differentiation of y1 will be y1 double dash plus y1 dash I'll keep as it is. Differentiation of x1 will be 1 and y1 differentiation of y1 will be y1 dash. So I'll get x1 into y1 double dash. okay, so then y1 dash will be 2 y1 dash. okay, so y1 triple dash will be x1 is 0.1 into y1 double dash is 2.2314 plus 2 into y1 dash, which is 1.21103. If I calculate, so I'll get y1 triple dash as a 2.6452. Okay. So if I calculate y1 quadra dash, again the value will be 2.64 something itself, hardly there will be change. So I'll stop it up to the y1 triple dash, as we are getting non-zero value itself, so I'll stop it over here. Okay, I will not consider the quadra dash, even though you can consider also, there will not be much difference in the value. So so I'll skip this part, only I'll keep up to this. Okay, so y2 will be, even you can calculate that also and you can do it, so I'll stop it up to here. Okay, so y2 will be, so y1 value is what? y1 is 2.1103 plus h is what? So here the h will be again 0.1. Okay, x2 is 0.2 minus of 0.1, so h will be again 0.1. So x1 minus x minus x naught, x2 minus x naught, so 0.2 minus 0.1, which will be h. Okay, so 0.1 by 1 factorial into y1 dash. Y1 dash is what we are getting, 1.21103 plus 0.1 square divided by 2 factorial into y1 double dash. Y1 double dash is 2.2314 plus 0.1 cube divided by 3 factorial into your y1 triple dash, which is nothing but 2.6452. See, even if I consider the y quadra dash, so 0.1 raised to 4 into this value, again it will be very less value, and divided with the 4 factorial, 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. So even the lesser value will get, will be more, the value will be beyond the 4 decimal itself. So in this case, I'll stop it up to third interval or the third differentiation. Okay, even you can consider, but the value will be very smaller, which will be beyond the 4 decimal. So I'll keep up to 3 decimal itself. So y2 will be what? If I calculate, so I'll get 2.2430. So this is y of 0.12. Okay, so like this we can calculate. Similarly for the 0.3 also we can calculate. So for the 0.3, so here x2 will be x2 will be 0.3 and y2 will be 2.2430. So h is again 0.1. Okay, 0.3 minus 0.2 is 0.1. Okay, so the differential your Taylor series equation will be y3 equal to y2 plus h by 1 factorial into y2 dash plus h square by 2 factorial into y2 double dash plus h cube by 3 factorial into y2 triple dash plus so on. Okay, so again same thing, differentiation has to be done. So y2 will be what? 1 plus x into y. So instead of x y, I'll write x2 y2. So y2 dash. Okay, so this will be 1 plus x2 is what? 0.3 into x2 is what? 2.2430. If I calculate, so I'll get 1.4486. Similarly, y2 double dash will be, differentiation of 1 will be 0, differentiation of x2 y2, first x2, differentiation of y2 will be y2 dash plus y2, differentiation of x2 will be 1. So y2 double dash will be x2 value is 0.3 into y2 dash will be 1.4486 plus y2 value, which is 2.2430. so we'll get y2 dash value as 2.5327. okay, similarly y3 dash, y2 triple dash, so differentiation of x2 will be as it is, x2 into differentiation of y2 dash will be y2 double dash, then y2 dash as it is, differentiation of x2 will be 1. So y2 differentiation of y2 will be y2 dash, so this will be x2 into y2 double dash plus 2 times of y2 dash. So y2 double triple dash value, if I substitute the x2 y2 value, so x2 will be 0.3, y2 dash will be 2.5327 plus 2 into y2 dash will be 1.4486. so y2 triple dash value what I'll get as 3.4037. These substitute this value into this equation to get the y3, which is nothing but y of 0.3. so y2 value is 2.2430 plus h is what, 0.1 by 1 factorial into y2 dash is 1.4486 plus 0.1 square by 2 factorial into y2 dash is 2.5327 plus 0.1 cube by 3 factorial into y2 triple dash is 3.4037. so if I simplify or calculate, so I'll get 2.4100. this is y of 0.3. so like this we can calculate the values of the approximation with use of Taylor series equation. Hope this is clear. If you have any doubt, you can feel free to ask through WhatsApp messages. Thank you.